Now, I couldn't figure out how this 1% could have caused all that misfortune that Germany, during those years, post-war years, inflation, and now the Great Depression, how it all could have been caused by this tiny minority. But it was a new ideology that was proclaimed. The Germans, pursuant to the Nazi Party, were the master race, superior to all others, and were allowed to mistreat any minorities, or what they considered inferior races. The only minority in Germany at the time were the Jews. So we were being pursued, new regulations enacted.